Welcome to Star Aspect Designs. This week we are looking at a 3-bedroom bungalow that has traditional features of the traditional bungalow with a modern twist. It honors the classic traditional architecture of bungalow living with the low pitch roofs, a welcoming front porch, the use of natural materials, and cozy proportions, while also introducing the modern twist where you have the slab at the front porch, the modern amenities, the open flexible spaces, and of course the modern fixtures. This is the back of the house, where you have the kitchenette there with the gas gauge and the Dobby sink. As you can see, it's the traditional sloping roof with gables. This is just one roof gable on one side. The material palette includes rendered plaster and of course the traditional natural stone, and then it has become my signature composite wood on certain areas to bring a little oomph to the design. This is the side of the house, where you can see the natural stone. Now, natural stone, you can construct it in several ways. Like this one is horizontally keyed. You can have it such that it's keyed like brick, staggered, horizontal plus vertical keys, or you can also use zero jointed stone. These are the bathrooms, and then to the front there is the master bedroom. Now, of course, this design also features large windows, which brings a modern twist to the design. And large windows offer more natural light into the spaces, which is a plus on every angle. Now, the front here is a master bedroom, and the composite wood feature at the window that I was talking about. And then as you see at the front here, you have the roof slab. Now the slab is what also brings the modern twist to this design, because it's just not pitched roof all round. Now the pitch roof can be made of Decra roofing tiles, can be made, if you're really traditional, clay tiles. It can also be made of iron sheets. Really, the choice is yours. And this porch here is quite extensive. It can accommodate a lot of seating, which is a plus, because in our traditional African settings, unapenda kukaa nje and drink your tea, sip your juice while watching the sunset or the sunrise. So that's the front of the house. As you can see, that's the entrance, the main entrance, with the path that leads directly to the door. That's the living room that's adjacent to the porch, and it's featuring corner windows. And I always advocate for corner windows because, first of all, more natural light. Second, panoramic views. So that's the entrance, and we shall get into the plan. Now this is the ArchiCAD model. So that is the main entrance. And once you enter the house, then you have that particular entryway. And as always in most of my videos, that is if you're not limited by space, it's always good to have an entry foyer before you get into the main spaces of the house. So the entry foyer will serve to store your bags, your shoes, your coat, have a console to put your keys, have storage space. So it just serves as sort of like space to declutter before you enter the house. So as you can see here, this is where you can sit and put on your shoes. This is storage where you can store your coats, your shoes, your bags, store shoes down there. And then this is an entry console where you can store your keys, display some flowers, have that decorative mirror there. So that entry foyer is really important. And then when we look at the house in totality, so that is what you see. So the layout, it definitely fosters togetherness with an open plan. The open core spaces, which are the kitchen, the dining and the living room, while still offering privacy and retreat in the bedrooms. So as you can see, this is where the open spaces of the house ends. This particular wall here where you have now the dining. Once you enter, you have the dining. You have the living room there. And for the living room, you can make it sunken. So right here, you can choose to step it down or just have a flat surface. And then you also have the open kitchen right there. And then that particular wall I was talking about is when then you enter the private spaces of the house. So the private, you enter that particular corridor, it's a vestibule. For now, this that directs people to the several bedrooms in the house. So you have this bedroom 01, then bedroom 02, which share this bathroom here. And this bathroom is also what will be used as toilet facilities for any visitors. And then this door here and then leads to the master bedroom, which is that bedroom there, which is ensuite with the bathroom right there. And the dining space also has its own sink there, so that you don't have to get into the toilet in order to wash your hands. You can just wash your hands at this section here. And then you have the lounge. Once you enter, you have the dining and then the lounge. So the dining and the lounge are open. And that is what you have. That is your TV wall there. And then you can arrange your lounge however you want. And then these are the corner windows that I was talking about, that will then feature a lot of natural light into the space and also offer good views to the outside. That's the open kitchen with some bar seating right there. And of course, if I take you through the kitchen, you have your sink there, your gas there, and then your fridge there. Those are the major appliances. And your gas has a straight line to the gas cylinder outside, which is what you saw, this here. And to get out to the kitchen yard, you pass through this door here. That is your laundry section over there. Your washing machine is down there. You can wash, dry your clothes outside, and then have that ironing counter there as you put your clothes back. And then this door here then leads to the pantry for more storage. You can never have enough storage. So this here is what leads to the outside to the kitchen yard. So these are the bedrooms, the master bedroom, that's how it's arranged. You have your chest of drawers as you come into the bedroom, and then you have your wardrobe space there. You can choose to have your TV at that particular point. Really, however you design the wardrobe, that's up to you. It's really flexible, you can do it however you want. So that's the master bedroom space. This is the bathroom for the master bedroom. This is the shared bathroom for the 2 bedrooms. And then this is the vestibule that I was talking about. And this particular nook over here offers convenient space for storage, where you can now have your shoe rack. So that's how the plan is laid out. Let's look at it in totality. That is what you see. From the back of the house to the front of the house. That's the porch right there. So that's the plan in totality. Lounge, dining, kitchen, laundry, pantry, and then you enter the private areas of the house. You have bedroom 1, bedroom 2, shared bathroom, master ensuite. So this is a home designed for families who still value the traditional style bungalows, but still want a modern twist where comfort meets style and simplicity, and the traditional coexists effortlessly with the modern. So that is what you have. Thank you so much for joining us. I always look forward to these particular videos because it gives me a chance to jog my mind, design, and also get some feedback about the design. Write your comments down below. Tell me what you like about the design, what you would do differently, any improvements you'd like to make, and let's continue learning. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, na kama kawaida, live large.